Today, I'm going to show you a really simple way to switch your Instagram account back to a personal account if it once was a creator or a business account. Now, Instagram has changed some of this because of Meta, and so it's a little bit different to access that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's jump in. So first, we want to head over to our profile. So you just click your little profile button in the bottom right-hand corner. It'll take you to profile. Now, this is where it's different. Instead of going up to the three little lines up at the top right-hand corner, you'll see below your name your professional dashboard. And if you click on that, it gives you some analytics and some different options within your professional account. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the gear icon up in the top right-hand corner. And then you scroll down until you see switch account type. You click on that, and then you'll see the options to switch to a personal account or business or creator, depending on which one you selected. I'm on a creator account, so you just click on switch to personal account. You click that. It's going to give you a little warning box that this is what's going to happen. And then you, once again, you click on switch to personal account, and it'll switch back to your professional dashboard. And you scroll in, and now you can see that whole professional dashboard is gone, which means that we are back in our personal account. And just like that, we've switched back to a personal account. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.